weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashland County, northeastern Crawford County, northern Richland County until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive golf ball-sized hail and destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles southeast of New Washington and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, Shelby, Savannah, Oak. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, and Richland.
Urgent weather message.